To book an American Airlines flight using Affirm, start by going to the American Airlines website and searching for your desired flight. Once you have found the flight you want, proceed to the payment section. You will see a list of payment options, including credit cards, gift cards, and other payment methods. Look for the Affirm option and click on it. You will be redirected to the Affirm website where you will be asked to create an account or log in to your existing one. If you are a new user, you will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also be asked to create a password and agree to the terms and conditions. Once you have created your account or logged in, you will be asked to provide some additional information to complete your application. This may include your date of birth, social security number, and income information. After you have provided the required information, Affirm will perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility for financing. This will not affect your credit score. If you are approved, you will be presented with a loan offer that includes the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment terms. Review the loan offer carefully to make sure you understand the terms and conditions. If you are satisfied with the offer, you can accept it and proceed to book your flight. You will be redirected back to the American Airlines website where you can complete your booking. You will receive a confirmation email from American Airlines with your flight details. And you will also receive an email from Affirm with your loan details and repayment schedule. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. You can make your payments online or through the Affirm mobile app. Using Affirm to book an American Airlines flight can be a convenient and affordable way to pay for your travel. Just make sure to review the loan terms and conditions carefully and make your payments on time to avoid any additional charges.